Mrs.
works for me too. Hello, Anna Lovdis.
Hi, happy holidays. Mwah.
This, everyone, is Dr. Anna Lovdis, and she is a doctor of chiropractic here in the Philadelphia area. And what we're going to talk about today is really something I think so many people will appreciate. And first of all, just want you to know it sold out completely the last time that we presented it. It's the Revive DPL Wide Coverage LED Light Therapy System for Pain. Those of us who experience aches, pains, stresses and strains, and it can be from just the weekend warrior. It can be just, I reached for something a little bit the wrong way, and now I'm feeling it. This really is something that can offer relief, correct?
Oh, well, that's why I'm associated with it. That's why I use it in my office for over 21 years, because it's FDA cleared. It's FDA cleared to help with those sprains, the strains, the achiness, the soreness that you might get up in the morning, you feel like you're 100 years old. This can help. If you're someone that suffers or in your family that has arthritis, over 50 million Americans in our country are diagnosed with arthritis. This is the ability to start saying yes. I was telling Leah, start going out and doing the things that you enjoy to do around the house with your friends. This is a technology that has been proven. I've used it for over 21 years, doctors' offices, physical therapists, hospitals. We've all used it to help treat our patients, to help them feel better and reduce the pain, reduce the stiffness, the soreness that's associated with injuries.
And that's why it sold out the last time that we presented it. So talk to me, because this is an FDA cleared device to help with the temporary relief of pain. Explain to me how it works and what it's doing.
First of all, with the newer one, I'm holding up the older one. Here's the newer one. It's 83% larger. And the way this works is you basically, any area or any joint of the body, there's over 300 joints. Your elbow, your wrists, your shoulders, your knees, your low back, your neck, go on and on and on. The way it works, we have this great animation that I want to show you how it works. Gently but effectively goes to the source where you're experiencing the pain. So it goes through the skin, it goes through the muscles, it goes through the tendon, gets to the joint where you're experiencing pain, increasing circulation in the vital area where you're injured, and brings oxygen, bring vital nutrients that are needed to increase the healing process. Just simply putting this directly on the skin for 14 minutes. And now with the larger, wider coverage, you don't have to move it around as much because of the 83% larger head that we have given you. Just put it on your hip. You can use the adjustable strap that we give you so it can be hands-free and start experiencing less pain, better joint movement, less stiffness, less achiness in the area where you're having the problem.
Well, it's interesting. You were saying to me, Leah, this is 45-year-old therapy. This is, this is not something new. Let me just tell you what you'll get when you receive yours. By the way, we're limited in what we have available. This sold out completely the last time that it was presented, and so we don't have a huge amount to go around. But what you're going to get the Revive device. Remember, that's an LED light therapy system. You're also going to get the strap, and that's a strap that allows you to attach it so that you can use it hands-free. You don't necessarily have to hold it in a particular area when you use the strap. It also comes with a carry bag, and it does come with a manual that gives you complete instruction for how to use it. So we understand sort of how it works. Where can I use this? Can I use this anywhere I'm experiencing?
I was just putting it on my neck.
Yeah.
Any joint of the body, wherever you're experiencing pain or stiffness or joint achiness or inability to move around, you can place that on an area. I recommend directly on the skin for 14 minutes. That's why we're giving you the exclusive hook and loop strap that allows you to use your hands so you don't have to sit there and hold it. Your hips, your knees, your ankles, your low back, your feet. Again, there's over 300 joints in the body. Here's some ideas of how to using it, especially in that low back area, that neck area, the knee area, and the shoulder area are primary areas where I used it on my patients. This is a way, because all my patients would say to me, like, in confidence, you know what, I just want to bend over and put my shoes on.
I know.
Like something simple as that. Or put my pants on, but it hurts my back.
Right.
When I get out of bed, I can't even straighten up. I can't even go and do things around the house.
Yeah.
As I tell a lot of my patients, and you don't have to be old, this is great for your granddaughter or grandchildren that play the soccer, that are playing winter baseball, that are playing basketball.
Right. And think of the alternative. I mean, you don't necessarily want to, you don't have to, take pills. How about those creams? How many times have you like, what is that smell? Like, oh, you know, I had a little ache in my back, or I had a little pain in my shoulder, I slept wrong last night. You can use this device. And again, it's an FDA cleared device for the temporary relief of pain. So whether they're the aches and pains from just, you know, from the everyday hustle and bustle, this time of year more than any, we're busy, we're doing things and just on the go, and it may be just that wrong move, it may be, you know, not getting a restful night's sleep and you just sort of feel that tension. It may be that you do find that you are experiencing pain in the back or the shoulder or the arm or the leg. That you can use this where you're experiencing the pain is fantastic. Now, let me say this again. What we have available is not unlimited. As a matter of fact, this sold out completely the last time that we presented it. We've got it back today. It is available on 5 easy monthly payments. And if this is the perfect Christmas gift, as you're hearing Dr. Anna explain what this does, who it's for, and you're saying, that's exactly what my mom needs, or that's exactly what my dad needs, or that's exactly what my husband needs, it'll be there by Christmas. So use your credit card, take advantage of that opportunity. I think it will be such a help for so many people.
Right. You have to buy it one time. You don't have to keep coming to see me or a physical therapist or a doctor. With the larger size, this is the size that I used in my practice, allowing you to have the freedom to go and do things that you enjoy doing because the aches and pains are reduced, or the aches and pains, the healing process of the body's own natural ability. I want to show that animation again. You're getting an 83% larger device, better coverage, more intense coverage, but all you're going to experience is a gentle warmth. It has the ability to get targeted and go exactly where you need.
Where the pain is.
Where the pain is. Yeah. Improve circulation, improve oxygen, which is vital for healing. And it goes right to the area where you're needed. It's great for any ages. It works better than a heating pad because a heating pad is more superficial. This gets to the source where you're experiencing that pain. So if you want to have less stiffness, achiness, and pain, try this out.
So let me tell you what's going on. First of all, we're now down to our limited quantity. This did sell out the last time that we presented it. There are 400 left. And I think what everybody probably is thinking is, we've all been there. We've all had that situation where, you feel those aches and pains, you feel that, a little bit of a strain and discomfort. And instead of reaching for the pills, instead of slathering on that cream that, I can't go outside because anybody gets next to me like, oh, gee, what is that? You use this device. It is, again, an FDA cleared device for temporary relief of pain. And I think what was impressive to me is when you said to me, Leah, this is, it's not new technology. This is proven. This is proven. It's been around.
It's LED. It's better than what I used to use in my practice because of the LEDs that are out there and offered. We can offer this at home. You can get professional treatment in the privacy of your own home. You just have to buy it one time. You don't have to go to the physical therapist's office or come see me 3 times a week to treat yourself. 14 minutes directly on the joint. Gives you the benefits. Try it out. Give you the benefit to go out and to experience the things that you want to do. Plus, we're giving you a 2-year extended warranty on it.
And by the way, there's a 60-day return policy with this device as well. So you have time to get it at home, use it, see how it can benefit you. One other thing I do want to mention too, in terms of what does it feel like? I mean, it's not hot to the touch.
No.
It's just very soothing. There's a very subtle warmth to it. And that's the beauty there. So you apply it to the area where you're experiencing the pain. You apply it to the area where you're feeling the strain and tension. And the fact that it has been as popular as it has been, truly, if this is a situation where you're thinking, that's exactly what I need, it'll be there by Christmas. So here's what's going on. It has now sold out once again. So continue to stay on the lines if you're in the process of placing your order. We have taken that.